Question 1, Part F. Find the equation of the line that passes through the point -1, 3 and is perpendicular to 2x plus y plus 4 equals 0. The question is asking for the equation of a line that passes through a particular point and is perpendicular to the line 2x plus y plus 4 equals 0. So our first step is to find the gradient of this particular line, and we do that by expressing it in gradient intercept form y equals mx plus c. Currently it's in general form, and we need to make y the subject. So I'm going to do that by moving 2x and 4 over to the other side. Now 2x is positive and 4 is positive, so when I move those two terms over to the other side, they become negative. So rearranging this equation to make y the subject, we get y equals negative 2x minus 4, and negative 2 represents the gradient of the line, hence the gradient's equal to negative 2. Our next step is to find the gradient of a line that's perpendicular to 2x plus y plus 4 equals 0. Now that we've found that the gradient of this line is negative 2, the gradient of a line that's perpendicular to that is given by negative 1 divided by the original gradient negative 2, which gives us positive half. So our final step is to find the equation of the line with gradient 1 over 2 or half passing through the given point -1, 3. And to find that equation, given that we have a point and a gradient, we use the point gradient formula y minus y1 is equal to m outside of x minus x1, where m represents the gradient of the line, and in this case it'll be 1 over 2. x1 is this coordinate here, -1, and y1 is the y coordinate here, 3. So substituting half for m, -1 for x1, and 3 for y1, we get y minus 3 is equal to half outside of x plus 1 in brackets. Multiplying all terms by 2 to eliminate this fraction here, we get 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 1. Moving the terms on the left-hand side over to the right-hand side so that the x remains positive, we get 0 is equal to x minus 2y plus 7. And then expressing this equation so that we have the 0 on the right-hand side and all other terms on the left-hand side so that it's in general form, we get the equation of the line that's perpendicular to 2x plus y plus 4 equals 0 is x minus 2y plus 7 equals 0.